I'm reviewing this bronzer. This is by Physicians Formula called the Muru Muru the Butter Bronzer. For me, this is actually pretty multi-purpose, multifaceted. So I not only use it as a bronzer when I want that bronzer effect, I also use it as a highlighter, and I also use it, when I want that little shimmery or a dewy kind of sheen over my makeup. So this is I would say pretty handy. I think ideal for people who also are not who of course are looking for one of these things when they do makeup, but who are also not being big on applying that systematic layers of makeup, starting with the primer, then the foundation, then something else. So if you're someone who just likes that one step kind of thing, something which gives you a very mediocre kind of base. So guys, this is not like a heavy coverage or a base or a foundation, so this doesn't solve that purpose. This is just to add that subtle shimmer glow. But the good thing about this, the butter bronzer by Physicians Formula, is that it does have like a lot of base as well. So I like it because it does, I think, for at least like for my oily kind of skin, it does add little bit of foundation impact. I do feel there's a base as well, and it stays for long, because otherwise on an oily skin like mine, and I have a lot of open pores, if I just apply like a shimmery thing or a bronzer, it is less likely to stay. But this one has this nice base kind of thing, and also that shimmer impact, so that is something nice about this bronzer. Also, guys, there are a lot of shades, natural shades in this one. So this is what goes with my skin tone. So this is what I use, but I know there are a lot of other neutral shades which you can match, accordingly, if you like to underplay or overplay. Also, another special thing about this bronzer is that it does have some nutrition value as well, because of the presence of Muru Muru butter, and it also has some essential, fatty acids. So it's not like one of those typical makeup, products which you're just applying as a layer just to look pretty from the outside. It will nourish your skin. It's supposed to nourish your skin from the inside as well. So using this is very simple. As I said, it doesn't require any layer of base or any other makeup product beneath it. So I use it just like I keep it handy on my dresser, and whenever I'm going out, I feel like my skin is looking a little dull. I need that touch of shimmer, a little bit of bronzing impact as well, a little bit of highlighting here and there. Then I would just quickly grab one of my makeup brushes, the blush brush, and take some bronzer and just contour my the apple of the cheeks, jawbone, and also touch little bit here and there, so that yeah, my face looks like dewy, shiny in a subtle way. I would say this is pretty long stay. It has that matte impact, so at least on my skin it stays for very long, although the coverage is not very high. So if you're someone who really is looking for something which will hide your blemishes, then of course you need to apply a layer of foundation, concealer first, and then go for this product. So guys, I think overall a good choice for people who have less time, are always in a rush, and who just like to use one product for their makeup. They don't have the time to apply a couple of things, as the base of the makeup. So this is pretty handy. You can also carry it in your purse, quickly touch it up wherever, in middle of the day as well. And yeah, this is cruelty free. Also guys, this smells amazing. I don't know, so if you're someone who likes to have that nice fragrance to your facial skin, then this has some nice fragrance. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.